Hi, today I'm for the VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app and click Enable in Settings. Near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap to OK. Then just go back, click to switch input method and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check the new keyboard. So we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.